Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you some updates in my dining room, and then I'm going to share how I pull my rooms together with color. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are here in the dining room and I have started the painting process. If you remember, my dining room was all one color, and it was the above color, which is Revere Pewter by Benjamin Moore. So as you see here, I have the wall and the wainscoting in the same color. Now I knew that I would eventually come back and paint the wainscoting a different color. I just didn't know what color at the time. So now I've decided to go ahead and paint it out white to match the trim. And so I wanted to do something different. I wanted to brighten things up. And so I decided to paint the wainscoting in white. I'm still doing some fine tuning, so when I'm done completely, I will share the reveal of the dining room maybe on Friday. But for now, let me share with you a few items that I picked up and I think will go in the dining room. Okay, so one of the first new items that I'm going to share in the dining room is this art piece. Now, I picked this up from Home Goods right after Christmas, and I did get it on sale. So it had a little bit of a charcoal color on the bottom, and that was just a little bit too dark for me, so I replaced it with a softer and warmer gray. And so I picked the gray color that was in my pillow covers that I got from Angelic Interior Designs. You guys know Chanel. She's one of my YouTube sisters and she sells pillow covers. And so I had ordered these pillow covers and I love the shade of gray. It has a nice warm gray and it has various shades. So what I did was went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some grays that I thought matched really close to it, and that is what I used to transform the art piece. So I was going to use these pillow covers in here, but I saw another set of pillows on her website and I decided to order those as instead, and they match perfectly as well. And so these are the pillows that I will be using instead. I think they match perfectly to the art piece. And so you may have seen these on my community post, or you may have seen these on Instagram, but these will be going in the dining room. I thought they matched perfectly with the art piece, and so I'll use the other pillow covers in my hearth room. And I also picked up these dishes, and I thought they may be nice for a spring or Easter tablescape. I also picked up this really pretty bowl from Home Goods, and it is a beautiful gold. It's kind of a leaf pattern bowl, and it is made in India. And I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, whether I'll put it on the dining room table or the buffet. So we'll see. But I also bought these ornament balls from Hobby Lobby, and I may or may not put them in there. We'll just see what they look like. These were half price, $7.99, half off, and then I picked up 2 larger ones in this cut glass pattern, and those were $11.99 and half off. And so I'm also going to be using this gray velvet curtain in here as well. I think the color matches perfectly, and so I want to try it and see if I can make it work. I know velvet sometimes is for cooler weather, but I think it will work. The color is light enough, and it's just going to pull everything together. So we'll have to see how it all turns out on Friday. Okay guys, so let's do a quick little recap on how I like to pull my rooms together. So you first want to start with an inspiration piece. Now it can be anything from artwork to pillows, pillow covers, curtains, or even something as simple as a plate. And then once you get your inspiration piece, you can start pulling colors from your inspiration. Now, I do like to get an inspiration piece that has several colors in it, because if you're not good at putting colors together, you can just grab all of your colors from one piece. For example, this pillow has gold, it has yellow, and then it has a gray, which leans towards a warm gray with brown undertones, and it also has a little black. So if you were using, say, black curtain rods or something else in the room, you could use black metal if you wanted to. You can also use gold metal. It's perfectly okay to mix metals. You just have to do it properly, and we can talk about that another day. But once you gather your colors, then you can start pulling in pieces that you really love that will complement the space. And then if you have to use paint, then just take your inspiration piece to the paint store. Now sometimes when I'm buying paint for the walls, I will take a piece into Sherwin-Williams, or even here I just went to Hobby Lobby and found some craft paints. And if you do find one that you like, you can go to Lowe's or wherever to have them color match it. So I like to use ivory in my spaces. So the colors that I choose, I always want to be sure that they complement ivory. And the candle that I'm burning today is Fig and Magnolias, and I picked that up from Home Goods, and it smells very good. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please come back in the next video and see the reveal of the dining room. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.